Krista Renee. When we first met, I never imagined this day would come. But now that we are here, I couldn't imagine choosing anyone else but you to go through life's journey with. I promise to love you for who you are and who you are yet to become. I promise to help you make your dreams come true and give you my whole heart regardless of the challenges that may come our way.
Will you keep me safe? Can you heal my heart? Will you love me still when I have no love to give? Can you hold my hand?
I want nothing more than to spend the rest of my life showing you just how grateful I am for you. So today I give you my heart and vow to be the best partner and Grey's Anatomy partner that you could ever have wished for. I love you.
It's not an easy life. There's nothing nice about growing when the harder it gets. Well, the closer it seems. Will you stay with me till my dying day? I don't want you to. Can you let that light back into the room when I have shut out from my view? Will you keep the truth wet on your lips? I've turned away from all that I love. You can remind me of just one kiss. It's just not an easy life. There's nothing nice about growing.
William Ryan. I've been dreaming of this day since I met you 11 years ago. You don't know many things at 14 years old, but I knew one thing for sure. It was you. It's always been you. I've never been more sure about anything in my life. As we continue to build this life together, I promise you this. I promise to respect you, honor you, and treat you the way you deserve to be treated. I promise to grow with you and learn with you. I promise to always believe in you, your goals, and dreams. I'll never stop being your biggest fan. I promise to love who you are now and who you are yet to become. I promise to be kind and patient with you. I promise to always make time on our schedule for Corey, even when I want you all to myself. I can't promise that I'll be a perfect wife, but I promise to be the best wife I possibly can be to you. I promise to love you in good times and bad, completely and forever. How lucky am I that God chose me to be your wife. I choose you today, tomorrow, and every day for the rest of my life.
trying to be what you want me to. Give me something I can sing along to. Alright. Oh, I've been working 9 to 5 just to survive, and I won't keep quiet till someone brings me back to life. Oh,